What if everything we've been told about the moon is wrong? What if Earth's closest neighbor isn't a natural satellite at all, but a hollow structure, maybe even artificial? Welcome to Philosophize. Today, we're diving into one of the strangest theories in space history, the hollow moon theory. The hollow moon theory suggests that the moon isn't solid, but either partially or entirely hollow. Some even propose that it's an artificial construct, perhaps created by advanced extraterrestrial beings. Most mainstream scientists reject this idea, of course. But let's look at why this theory gained traction in the first place. In 1969, NASA's Apollo 12 mission deliberately crashed part of its lunar module onto the moon's surface. The shock waves were monitored by seismic equipment left behind. To everyone's surprise, the moon reverberated for over an hour. Scientists described it as ringing like a bell. A solid body shouldn't behave that way. So what was happening inside? NASA's official interpretation was that the moon's crust is rigid and dry, which allowed shock waves to travel unusually far. But to others, it hinted at something deeper, literally. Some researchers, especially in fringe circles, propose that the moon is not just hollow, it might be artificial. A kind of ancient spaceship or observational outpost, placed in perfect orbit to watch over Earth. In 1970, Soviet scientists Mikhail Vazin and Alexander Sherbakov wrote an article titled, "Is the Moon the Creation of Intelligence?" They argued the moon may have been engineered, its large metallic interior shielded by a rocky shell. Science fiction? Maybe. But some argue that the moon's orbit and size, exactly covering the sun during an eclipse, are too perfect to be coincidence. Many ancient cultures spoke of a time before the moon existed. The Zulu of Africa, the Greeks, and even the Sumerians told stories of an age when the night sky had no moon. Could these myths be memories of an era before the moon was placed in orbit? Or are they poetic interpretations of natural events? Even Aristotle and Anaxagoras questioned the moon's composition and origin long before Of course, the scientific community has explanations. The moon's low density is due to its composition, not a hollow interior, and its seismic echoing, a result of dry, fractured rock layers, like ringing a dense, cracked ceramic bowl. Lunar orbit and eclipse alignment. Still incredible, but explainable through natural processes and the Earth-Moon system's evolutionary history. In fact, modern lunar missions and gravity mapping show mass concentrations inside the moon, not voids. So why does the hollow moon theory persist? Maybe it's our fascination with hidden truths, or distrust in official narratives. Or maybe we just love a good mystery. The moon remains deeply symbolic. It affects tides, myths, and moods. To some, the idea that it could be a constructed object adds a layer of cosmic awe. Is the moon just a lifeless rock, or is it something far stranger? The hollow moon theory may not hold up under modern science, but it challenges us to look deeper, to question, to imagine. What do you think? Hollow, solid, or something in between? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more deep dives into space, science, and the mysteries of the cosmos. Until next time, stay curious.